Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable child lock on your XIAOMI Smart Standing Fan 2 Pro. To do it, you'll need to press and hold on two buttons at once, the schedule and oscillation button, until you hear a long beep. Now the child lock is on, so you can see I can't really change anything because once I click, it just beeps twice and doesn't change anything. I can't even turn it off. And if you want to turn off the child lock, of course you'll need to press and hold on oscillation and schedule button for 7 seconds until you hear a long beep. And now you can see I can do whatever I'd like. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.